Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing two things fast: a VPN located in a supported country and a Google account aligned to that same region. Once done, switch your phone to airplane mode, turn on the VPN, then reconnect Wi-Fi so your IP shows the new country. Make sure to sign into the Google account you plan to use. This is why you created or chose a region-matched account. Do not install extra apps yet. This first phase sets your identity and routing correctly. With the VPN active and your account signed in, clear Play Store cache and data so the store picks up the new IP and account region. Next, go to Payments. Google.com and add a payments profile for the supported country. Include a local billing address and phone number because Google uses them to decide eligibility. Once the profile exists, reopen Play Store and look for Google Pay. If it remains unavailable, download the official Google Pay APK and install while the VPN remains. Now finalize setup. Open Google Pay while the VPN is connected, verify your phone number, and add a card whose billing address matches the payments profile you created. Google checks both. Make a small test payment or add Transit Pass to confirm functionality, and only then try disabling the VPN. Make sure Google Pay still recognizes your profile. If something goes wrong, clear app data, recreate the payments profile with exact local details, or retry with a different supported bank card. That usually fixes remaining blocks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.